What to sell on Amazon FBA? Another thing that's amazing about this business model is that there's no one way how to sell on Amazon FBA. Here's a few of the most popular methods. Arbitrage – find low-priced items in retail stores or other online marketplaces to resell on Amazon at a higher value. Wholesale – buy bulk discount branded goods to resell on Amazon at a higher value. Used book sales – purchase used books at book sales, yard sales, or other places to resell on Amazon at a higher value. Private label – research and manufacture your own branded products to sell on Amazon FBA where you control every aspect of the product. This is my preferred method how to sell on Amazon FBA. What is private label? A private label product is manufactured by a contract or third-party manufacturer and sold under a retailer's brand name. In other words, you take a product that already exists and manufacture it with your own brand and logo. I am a private label seller. In fact, most successful Amazon FBA sellers are private label sellers.